Hello. In this video, we want to look at question 6 for review for exam 4. An epidemic is growing in a region according to the rate n prime of t equals 76 divided by t squared plus e, where n prime of t is the increase or decrease in the number of people infected on day t. Okay, so there is a typo here. Instead of plus e, that should be plus 3. There you go. So it's actually 76 divided by t squared plus 3, not t squared plus e. There we go. So this is n prime, and we want to know the formula for the number of people infected after t days, given that 48 people were infected at t equals 0. So in this case, t is the number of days after infection, or the first infections, basically. And n is the number of people. Good deal. So A, we want to find the formula. So for the formula here, n of t would be the integral of our derivative, which is 76 divided by t squared plus 3 dt. Now, here's the thing. Oh, sorry, one second. Okay, so there is another typo here. Instead of 76, it should be 76t. Yes, that should be 76t. Good deal. So this is what we actually want to take the antiderivative of. To do this, I'm going to use u substitution. Let u equal t squared plus 3. So du then would be 2t dt. And to get the 76 to become a 2, well, 76 divided by 2 is 38. So I'm going to multiply by 38 on both sides. So it's 38 du is equal to 76t dt. Good. And so when I replace everything, this is going to give me 38 times 1 over u du. Wonderful. So the antiderivative here would be 38 times the natural log of the absolute value of t squared plus 3 with a plus c at the end. Well, technically absolute value of natural log of the absolute value of u, but u is t squared plus 3. But notice that t squared plus 3, well, first of all, t is always positive, and so this will always be positive, so I don't actually need the absolute value here. Now that we have that, and I'm going to ignore the absolute value from now on, notice that it says 48 people were infected at t equals 0. So what that's telling me is that n of 0 equals 48. So that's telling me that 38 times the natural log of 0 squared plus 3 is 3, plus the constant has to be 48. So the constant is 48 minus 38 times the natural log of 3. So the overall function itself is 38 times the natural log of the absolute value, well, technically just parentheses, t squared plus 3 plus the 48 minus 38 natural log of 3. That's the exact one. Now, if we come down here and look at the answers, notice it says just plus 6.25. That's fine. But I'm going to go ahead and leave it like that because that's the exact value. Now, the reason that that's the exact value is because, well, let's go and look at it. So if we have 48 minus 38 times the natural log of 3, 6.25 to 2 decimal places. But I'm just going to leave it as the exact value. Good. Letter B says, use the answer from part A to find the total number of people infected by day 19. Well, to do that, I just need to find what is n of 19. Well, that'd be 38 times the natural log of 19 squared plus 3 plus 48 minus 38 natural log of 3. So let's go top this in. So it's going to give me 38 times the natural log of 19 squared plus 3, close parentheses, plus that 48 minus the natural log of 3. 270.99, round to the nearest whole number, so it'd be 271. And that is people. And there we go. Here is example 6 for review for exam 4. Have fun.